Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating English word. Today's word is cheer. So, what does it mean to cheer? Well, as a B2 level verb, cheer primarily means to encourage or shout support, often with enthusiasm and excitement. Think about a sports game, a performance, or any situation where you want to show your approval and support someone. You might cheer them on. Now, let's explore some synonyms for cheer, words that have a similar meaning. One great synonym is encourage. For example, the coach encouraged the team to keep trying, even though they were losing. Another useful synonym is applaud. We can say, the audience applauded loudly after the singer's performance. Then there's root, which often implies showing support for a team or individual. We root for our local football team every weekend. Another synonym is boost. The good news really boosted her morale. Finally, we have uplift, which suggests raising someone's spirits. Her kind words really uplifted me when I was feeling down. Now let's switch gears and consider some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning to cheer. A strong antonym is discourage. For example, his constant criticism discouraged her from pursuing her dreams. Another antonym is dishearten. We can say, the bad weather disheartened the hikers. Then there's depress, which suggests lowering someone's mood. The sad movie really depressed me. Another antonym is criticize. The teacher criticized his essay for its lack of clarity. Finally, we have dampen, which means to lessen enthusiasm or excitement. The news of the accident dampened the celebratory mood. So, now that we know the definition, synonyms, and antonyms, how can we use cheer in everyday life? Well, you can cheer someone up if they're feeling sad. You might say, I'm going to cheer her up with some flowers and a funny movie. You can cheer on your favorite team. We always cheer on our team, no matter what. You can cheer someone's performance. The crowd cheered wildly as she finished her song. It's also used in common expressions. For instance, give me a cheer. This means, let's all shout encouragement. Another example, a cheering crowd. This means a crowd that is shouting in support and enthusiasm. Here are some example sentences to further illustrate the usage of cheer. The fans cheered when the team scored the winning goal. She needed someone to cheer her up after a long day at work. We all cheered as he crossed the finish line. The children cheered with delight when they saw the presents. The news of her recovery brought a cheer to everyone's faces. Now, some more example phrases. Cheer someone on means to encourage them. A cheering squad is a group of people who cheer at sports games. To cheer up means to make someone happier. 3 cheers for is a common expression of congratulations. Let's look at some more example sentences using the synonyms and antonyms we discussed. Using encourage, her parents encouraged her to follow her passion. Using applaud, the audience applauded the dancer's amazing performance. Using root, I root for you in your exams. Do your best. Using boost, the promotion will boost his career. Using uplift, listening to music uplifts her spirit. Using discourage, don't let failures discourage you. Using dishearten, the team was disheartened by the loss. Using depress, staying inside all day can depress you. Using criticize, it's important to offer constructive criticism. Using dampen, the rain dampened our picnic plans. Remember, cheer is all about encouragement, support, and expressing positive energy. So, to recap, cheer means to encourage or shout support. Synonyms include encourage, applaud, root, boost, and uplift. Antonyms include discourage, dishearten, depress, criticize, and dampen. It's used in daily conversations to express support and boost morale. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of the word cheer helpful and insightful. Before you go, Please subscribe to our podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English with us. And don't forget to create your own sentence using the word cheer and share it as a comment under the video. We'd love to see how you're using it in your own language journey. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep cheering each other on.
Goodbye.